Hello everyone, Gökhan is here. Today I want to talk about how to manage your time effectively. The most valuable asset we have is our health. Then it is our time. If you are a healthy person, time management is actually life management. Let me explain how to manage your time effectively in an example. If you would like to increase the temperature of the room, what would you do? Would you turn up the heater's degree? If the windows were open, this action would be useless. Firstly, you should close the windows to rise up the room's temperature. What I mean by this example is that if you would like to manage your time effectively, you must get rid of these time-wasting activities. How can we do that? Having a long-term goal. You should have a long-term goal that motivates you to take action. You should have a long-term goal you can commit yourself. If you have a motivating long-term goal, when you remember your long-term goal, you can get a desire to take action. So having a long-term goal is the first step to manage your time effectively. But what is the second step of time management? The second step of the time management is planning. Whatever you do, you should have a plan. Before you start whatever you do, you should make planning. For effective time management, you should have effective planning skills. What I mean that when you make some planning, you should ask 3 questions yourself. First, you should ask yourself, what do you want to do? This part is the easiest way in planning. Just you need to write it down, what do you want to do? The second part of planning process is asking yourself why you should do this activity today. Why is one of the most powerful questions you should ask yourself, because when you get the reasons behind the actions or behind the to-do list activities, you can get 2 main things in your mind. First one is you can get a motivation or supporting points not to give up when you feel you are in a stuck. The second benefit of asking this question to yourself is having an opportunity to evaluate what is the effect of this action to your long-term goal. The last question you should ask yourself when you are planning is how long does it take? You should ask yourself, how long does this action take? What I mean that you should assign a deadline when you are planning, because our focusing time is very limited and we are only effective in our focusing time. If you don't assign a deadline for an activity to complete, you can lose your focus and you can't complete this task. In other words, you can't get the results. You can't make it happen. To wrap up, in order to improve our time management skills and habits, we need to have 2 significant values. The first one is long-term goal. The second one is planning skills. And when we make planning, we should ask 3 important questions. The first one is, what do you want to do? The second one is, why you should do this activity today? And the third one is, how long does it take to assign a deadline, whatever you do? I hope you enjoyed the video on time management. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please share this video on your social media. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next video.